Hey guys, it's Ricardo and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. So guys, today we're going to look at the mute function in Instagram. And of course, this is a new feature that was recently released. Allows you to mute any subscriber or person that you have followed on Instagram. So if, for example, you have a overactive share and they keep sharing posts, you can actually mute their posts. So therefore, you won't see them for a while. And of course, you can go ahead and unmute. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is you're going to go to Instagram. All right, so as you can see here, guys, I have 24-hour success, which is one of my subscribe feeds. So for example, if I'm seeing too many posts from 24-hour success, I can actually mute them. All right. And of course, if you're not getting the option as seen here, just simply tap on the three dots in the upper right of the post and you'll see the new mute feature here. And of course, I've gotten the update. If you haven't seen the update, that means that yours has not updated yet. It should take a few days for Instagram to roll out the new update. And of course, it will take a while for it to show up. So as you can see, a few days ago or a few hours ago, I didn't have this mute option and now it's here. So just simply go ahead and check. And over time, it should appear. So I'm just going to go ahead and mute this post from 24-hour success. So I'm going to hit mute. And of course, you see the option there. It gives you the warning to say that mute 24-hour success. You can unmute them from their profile. Instagram won't let them know you muted them. And that's of course something to say that it will keep who you have muted private, so the other party won't feel offended if you choose to mute them because you're seeing too many posts. So you can mute posts or mute posts and story. Before you could mute stories, I have a video that I'll link to it on screen. But of course, you have the option of just muting their posts or muting both posts and story, and you can cancel. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and mute posts. So there I go, I muted the post. And of course, the feed has refreshed. And if you go through, you won't see any new updates from 24-hour success. Now let's look at how to actually unmute. So I'm just going to find 24-hour success. So I'm just going to go here. I'm just going to search. All right, here you have 24-hour success. Just going to go ahead and search. And here I go. I found them. So I'm just going to look in the menu here. And if you look around here on the profile page, you'll see the option all the way down here between the email section and this tab. You'll see you have muted 24-hour success posts. Just go ahead and tap unmute right there. So as you can see, the unmute option is right there. So let's go ahead and unmute. So let me just stop. And of course, you notice a while ago, I unmuted and it's now gone and it doesn't say anymore that it is muted. All right. So as you can see, the new mute feature is quite cool. You can actually mute and unmute anybody that you like freely and they won't know. All right. So this has been another quick tech tip as brought to you by Blog Tech Tips, guys. Please remember to subscribe if you have not for this and future updates on social media programs like Instagram, Facebook, and other tech related problems and solution. All right, this is Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, guys, saying bye until next time. Bye.